Welcome to the TSCAD Software Online Lessons. Today is Teacher Group AutoNest. Click Nesting Option. Choose Group AutoNest. Pop up a dialog. Enter values in group under the interval text box. Click OK. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.